Good day guys, this is boy Jay back again with another video. We're getting closer and closer, but at the same time we're running out of things to do for the golfie. So right now what we're going to be doing is cleaning the door cards up and then let them dry. So stay tuned guys. Okay ladies and gentlemen, so right now we got the door cards here. Got my cloth, got some warm water and nice little bag here of, this is heavy duty washing powder. That's nice. But no, don't say so much out without cutting the door cards. Put that one side. So basically what we're gonna do, just gonna put a little bit in the bucket. Don't want to do too much. Also, don't want to do too much on the door cards, but we're gonna do a little bit. They are very moldy from the water damage, so we're gonna try our best to clean them up. Don't want us to mess out. Ooh, no. Don't trust that. I'm going to put this one side. So we got it. Now it's very wise to use warm water. As I said, we're going to get this nice and clean. We're going to see the difference of what it's going to look like. So stay tuned, guys. Hopefully, we'll just get some water going there. So we'll start here at the seam. As I said in the previous video, guys, I do not want to change the door cards. I could have easily gotten a piece of leather like my brother did with it this time with his golf, and get leather and just redo the seats. The only issue is about that is I'm gonna lose the pattern, the OEM pattern that it has, and also yeah, it's gonna not give me the look I wanted. So oh good grief, look what this water looks like already. Ooh. Just hope the soap doesn't eat into my skin. As it says, it's meant for doing overalls, cleaning overalls. Ooh, I can see the difference already. Mother Michael, that looks different. Do apologize again if you guys are hearing this on the mic. It's just very slippery as well. Oh, it's gonna look nice. Yo. Oh, I can see the green of the. That's gonna be. I'm getting excited, guys. This is awesome. It's coming out better than what I thought it would. As you guys know, I won't get it 100%, but just to get that mold look and that smell out, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, look at that. Oh, Mensa. Then he gets a bit excited, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Heavy, man, sweet. I think the best is gonna hang this outside to dry. But I don't know if I should peg it or not. It must be on a flat surface. Look at, okay, this is where, this will be like this because that's where the handle goes. But yeah, if you guys can see this, that's what it looks like. This is the other side's one. And that's what it looks like now. Look at that. Unbelievable. So, let's go for the next. Put this aside. Washing powder. Washing powder. It's a creme de la creme. As again, guys, excuse me, it's very important that we get the black mold out of it, like we did here. I'm glad it came out because it was gonna cause some serious issues. Every time you drive the car, get that toxic smell in. It's not good at all, especially when you battle with asthma. And I've got a lot of family members as well that battle with asthma, so it will be wise to get that smell out. Yeah, look at that. There you guys. Just, yeah. As you guys can see. Oh, just want to get another brush. Okay guys, so we're back again. Got another brush now. That one seems to be slipping up my hand. Can't get a bit of grip, so using this one. Come out very nice. Very happy, very, very, very happy. Second one done. Yeah, just to see how they did look to compare to now. It's like, it's just unbelievable. Unbelievable. Just goes to show you the elbow grease, the right chemicals to use. It's not toxic, but a bit sensitive to the skin. But it's, yeah, very happy, very happy, very happy. Get some more of this. Yeah, as well. Cloth getting a clean as well. Okay then. Now for the last one, guys. A hard, long process, but hard work pays off. So guys, there you have it. That's the two front ones. Nice and clean. And the backs. Oh, workout and a half. Obviously these marks won't come out because that's where the, well, here is where the grab handle is and the winder. But other than that, got the black mold out completely. Very, very happy. As you guys can see, no more black mold. Came out very nice. So yes guys, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like and comment down below. And let me know if you guys are excited. Because I am. I can't wait to show you guys what's going to be, how the car's going to be, and how's everything else going to be. But little things were meant to be done. So I'm glad you guys stayed tuned. And thank you guys for tuning in. That'll be Jay out.